The RxJS Map Operator is used to transform each emitted value of an observable stream. Our stream consists of the observable itself, a pipe where we manipulate the data, and a subscriber, which listens to the result. After the person observable emits a value, the map operator gets the value as an input and transforms the person to a string representation. In our IDE, we create a new interface with the properties name and first name. Then we create a new person and we give it a cool name. The property returns a string observable. Now we create a new observable by using the RxJS auth function, where we pass in our person object. Within the pipe function, we can make transformations. To transform our person to the full name of the person, we have to call the map operator inside the pipe. The map function gets an input as first parameter, which has the type of the observable we are listening to, and we have to return a combination of the first name and the last name of the person. It's important that the return type of the map function matches the return type of the observable. When you subscribe to the full name observable and print the result, you will see the full name of the person. If you want to see more about RxJS, then hit the subscribe button and let it me know in the comments.